Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at some more exponent rules. And so let m and n be integers. And so what we have here are some exponent laws that we already covered in grade 9. And so we're not going to recover these. We already did that in these 3 videos. And if you haven't seen my videos on this, I highly recommend that you pause the video, go into the description, go grade 9 playlist, and then look for the exponent videos. We will not be practicing these. We're going to actually be using them today. So I highly recommend that you go and complete those grade 9 videos if you haven't already. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to notice here is 3 squared over 3 to the 5. This is 3 times 3 for 3 squared, and then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 like that for 3 to the 5. We have some canceling going on, and what's left is 1 over 3 cubed. But also we can use one of the exponent rules here, and 3 squared over 3 to the 5 is 3 to the 2 minus 5, which gives 3 to the negative 3. So these are equal. So in other words, these are equal. So a negative exponent, right, 3 to the negative 3 is the same as 1 over 3 to the 3, right? We kind of bring it down and then turn it to a positive exponent. And so this is our negative exponent rule. A to the minus n is equivalent to 1 over a to the n, like that. And this is for a non-zero. So example 1, simplify. So we're going to write the answer without negative exponents nor brackets. So 2x to the negative 3. The negative 3 is only touching the x, right? So this is 2 over x cubed. B, 3y, all of that to the negative 2. So all of 3y goes underneath and is squared, like that. We then have our distribution of the 2. So this becomes 3 squared y squared, like that, which is 9y squared. So 1 over 9y squared. C, 1 over 3 to the negative 2. So what happens if we have a negative exponent on the bottom? So I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over 1. That's the top. And the bottom can be rewritten as 1 over 3 squared. So what we have here is 1 over 1 divided by 1 over 3 squared. Dividing by a fraction, we go times the reciprocal. Multiply this, we get 3 squared. So in other words, 1 over 3 to the negative 2, we bring it up and it becomes positive exponent like that, which gives 9. So let's do another example like that. 1 over 5 to the negative 3, we bring it up like that and it becomes positive exponent as such, which gives 125. Okay, more examples, lots of examples here. So x to the negative 2, x goes to the bottom, x squared. Y to the negative 5, y comes up to the y to the 5 like that on the top. 4 and 3, we can't simplify anymore, so that's it. 5 over 15, that's 1 over 3 like that. X squared over x, x on top. Y to 6 on the bottom, y cube on the top, so y cube is remaining on the bottom like that. G, x to the negative 2 on the bottom, so we're going to bring it up, x squared like that. We're going to distribute the 3, so x squared cubed and y cubed like that. X squared to the 3 we multiply, so that's x to the 6. X squared times x to the 6 is x to the 8. Y cubed remains like that. H, 2 over 5 to the negative 2. We distribute the negative 2, so 2 to the negative 2, 5 to the negative 2. This is the same as 5 squared over 2 squared like that, which is 25 over 4. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1, simplify. Write the answer without negative exponents nor brackets. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. X to the negative 4 is 1 over x to the 4, like that. B, x squared on the bottom, y into the negative 3, put that on the bottom, y cubed, so 3 over x squared y cubed, like that. All of 5x is to the negative 2, so this comes down to the bottom. All of 5x to the 2. Distribute the 2, 5 squared x squared like that. So 25x squared on the bottom. So 1 over 25x squared is our answer. 1 over 5 to the negative 2, this brings up like that, so 5 squared, which is 25. E, 3 to the negative 4, 5 to the negative 1, so the 5 comes up, and the 3 to the negative 4 goes down, so 5 over 3 to the 4, which is 5 over 81. F, 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2. Y to the negative 2 comes up, y squared. X to the negative 3 goes down, x cubed, like that. 25 over 5 is 5. X squared over x6, x4 on the bottom, like that. Right? You could get that any way. You could look at it as definition, right? XX, and then xxxxxx like that, and you cancel 2 of them. You have x4 left on the bottom. Or you can go x to the 2 minus 6, which gives negative 4. Bring it down to the bottom, x to the 4. You can also do it that way too. However you do it is up to you. H, so x to the minus 1, so x comes up like that. Y stays on the bottom. All of this to the negative 2, so this comes down. X to the 2 becomes positive. We distribute the 2 like that, so we have x cubed squared and y squared squared like that. So this becomes x to the 6th, y to the 4 like that. So x over x to the 6, x to the 5 on bottom. Y times y to the 4 is y to the 5 like that. Last one, x over 7 to the negative 2. We distribute our negative 2, so x to the negative 2, 7 to the negative 2. X to the negative 2 is brought down to the bottom, x squared. 7 to the negative 2, bring up 7 squared. And so we get 49 over x squared. And that's it. It's that simple. I'll see you guys in the next video.